All right, so we are out at Big Quilcene trailhead. We're heading into Marmot Pass today. Gonna stop at Buckhorn Lake tonight, then go on to Silver Lake tomorrow night, and then pick up the other car that we just dropped off at the other trailhead at Mount Townsend trailhead. Benny boy, how you feeling?
Death. We're like 1 mile in and I want to die.
A mile away from the trailhead, and Ben and I are both just absolutely just wrecked. It's hot, it's like 75 out, muggy, straight up, and I'm already sweating through my t-shirt. All right, so we made it above tree line. You see Marmot Pass, which is like right there, and I think it's like right there. Maybe that notch right there. I don't know, but we're gonna keep on walking. All right, we're at the top of Marmot Pass. Look behind me, look at the mountains. And then there's the sound, and there's Ben. We're gonna go along this trail over here. We're gonna skirt around Buckhorn Peak to Buckhorn Lake in the Buckhorn Wilderness. Lots of buckhorns going on. I think Ben and I are gonna sufficiently, when we get to camp, we're gonna literally set up the tent and go to bed. Because we're like exhausted. But Ben's ready to sleep, Ben's ready to go. So let's get walking. Okay, so I have a little confession to make. I had no idea that the Olympics were rocky, wild, like insane, beautiful, like, yeah. I'm like a loss for words right now. It is absolutely crazy. And what's even crazier is that right there's the ocean. Dude, that's just nuts. The ocean's right there. Like literally the Pacific Ocean is like literally right there. Yeah. Washington, man. God, gotta love it.
Hey, what's the hike?
Oh yeah. So we just got camp set up. Tents over there, fires right there. Look at this view. This view is insane. Like, are you kidding me? That is nuts. We're gonna make a little bit of dinner right now and then probably go to bed, honestly. I am whooped. We did like 8 miles with close to like 3 or 4, I think, 3,000 or 4,000 feet today. It was a beautiful day out. It got a little cloudy. It's getting cloudy again today. But the blue sky popped out, so that was a good thing. And yeah, gonna have a beer and then eat dinner and then go to bed. Benny boy. How did you sleep, Ben?
Good, actually. They have the ice coffee.
All right, so we just woke up, had a little breakfast, had a little coffee. We're gonna start packing up camp, gonna start hiking out to Silver Lake. Yeah, my back hurts, gonna pop a couple Advil, and it's gonna be a good day. Hopefully my legs hold up. All right, so we're gonna start heading out to Silver Lake. Just packed up camp. Let's see what we can see today. How many beautiful views we can see. We're going over, I think, 1 pass today. We're dropping down into the valley this morning and then climbing up to Mount Townsend tonight, or after this afternoon, and then camping at Silver Lake. And then tomorrow we are going from Silver Lake to the Mount Townsend trailhead. The upper one, where we parked another car. I got skewered just there.
Well, we just bushwhacked our way up to this cool little mine. Just thought we might add another 100 feet of elevation, because why not? We're already climbing 3 mountains, so. Super cool though.
All right, so we are at Duvall Mine Trails trailhead. We're about to start our ascent up to Mount Townsend. Whew. And then we're gonna drop down into Silver Lake or spend the night at the top of Mount Townsend. Haven't quite decided yet. This looks like an absolute bitch of a trail. Dude, this is gonna be gnarly. So, I guess we'll just take you along for the ride. It's gonna be quite the fucking adventure, that's for sure. Let's start climbing. And how you feeling?
Sweaty. This is very cool.
What was that again, Ben?
So Ben, you're supposed to be a vlogger and you're not gonna take a picture of the trail sign. Rookie mistake.
All right, we're pretty close to the top of the Mount Townsend. We just got a little more further to go. It's complete whiteout out here. I think Ben and I are both super tired. So we're gonna skip Silver Lake today and go straight for the car. It's supposed to be a 2-night, 3-day trip. Turned into a 1-night, 2-day trip very quickly. We are completely out of shape, and so we're gonna get to the top of this, hang out for a couple minutes, and then make our way down to the car. We're back in the Buckhorn Wilderness. The Buckhorn Wilderness really likes to use the word buckhorn in everything. It's like for sure everywhere. Buckhorn Peak, Buckhorn Lake. I'm sure there's a Buckhorn Creek, honestly, at this point. Well, we made it to the top of Mount Townsend. We were met with an absolute stunning view. Look at this, check this out. Yeah. Right, Ben?
Yeah, I'm a nice view too.
Look at that view. Ooh, baby. All that hard work for that. Well, we're gonna go down to the car, pack up, and get out of here. The second backpacking trip, no, third backpacking trip for me, second for Ben. And it's been a good one. I think we're on a good trajectory for epicness this summer. And so yeah, let me get off of here and start walking down. All right, so we're off of the mountain now. Got both cars and going back home. So that's the end of the trip. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to leave a like, leave a comment, stuff what you guys thought. I'm really sore and get after it. See you guys out in the trails, and I'll catch you on the next one.